Hello and welcome to Financial Booklet. I'm your host, and this is your financial market update for Thursday, January 1st, 2026. A very happy new year to all of our viewers. As we turn the page to 2026, we're looking back at the closing data from a volatile 2025, examining the latest release from the Federal Reserve, and breaking down significant movements in the cryptocurrency and technology sectors. Let's dive into the first market report of the year. Starting with macroeconomic news, the Federal Reserve has released the minutes from the Federal Open Market Committee meeting held on December 9th and 10th, 2025. These minutes provide the public with insights into the central bank's rationale regarding interest rates and economic outlooks as the year came to a close. In related administrative news, the Federal Reserve Board has officially announced the reappointment of Reserve Bank presidents and first vice presidents, ensuring leadership continuity into the new year. Looking back at the broader economic picture, analysts are already conducting post-mortems on the previous year's forecasts. Reports indicate that many economists' predictions for 2025 did not align with the actual economic outcomes, prompting discussions on how modeling might adjust for 2026. Moving into the digital asset space, there was significant volatility reported as 2025 concluded. Data shows that strategy shares, companies heavily integrated with Bitcoin adoption strategies, registered a decline of nearly 50% in 2025. This marks the first 6-month losing streak for these equities since the adoption of Bitcoin treasury strategies in 2020. This decline occurred even as reports confirm that strategy accumulated over 22,000 Bitcoin in December, with real-world assets, or RWAs, topping $19 billion. Regarding Bitcoin itself, market analysis indicates that the asset's 2025 performance was forward-loaded, followed by a significant retraction by year's end. Elsewhere in the sector, India's central bank is urging countries to prioritize central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, over private stablecoins. Meanwhile, various AI models and analysts have released price targets for 2026 regarding Bitcoin, Ether, and XRP, with some bullish calls for XRP circulating in the media, though market participants continue to watch regulatory developments closely. Shifting gears to the technology and industrial sectors, privacy concerns are taking center stage. New reports suggest that artificial intelligence advancements could potentially undermine encryption protocols used in private messaging apps. There appears to be limited user awareness regarding these emerging vulnerabilities. On the geopolitical tech front, Chinese President Xi Jinping used his New Year's speech to tout China's advancements in AI chip manufacturing. Additionally, Chinese electric vehicle makers are reportedly expanding their footprint in Southeast Asia, specifically driving a bus revolution in the region's public transit sector. Finally, taking a look at corporate and energy news. In the legal arena, JP Morgan has flagged issues with the firm Javis, alleging that firms billed millions of dollars simply for attendance. In the energy sector, shares of NuScale Power saw a sharp decline throughout December. Market watchers are also discussing the disparity in electricity pricing across the United States, with reports highlighting higher costs in specific states as a result of regional policy choices. And for those tracking ETFs, the State Street SPDR Oil and Gas Exploration and Production ETF is currently under the microscope as investors evaluate the energy landscape for the coming quarter. That wraps up your first financial update of 2026. We will continue to monitor these stories as trading desks fully reopen and the new year gets underway. Thank you for watching Financial Booklet. If you found this report helpful, please ensure you are subscribed for daily updates. I'm your host, signing off.